नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the practical protocol, the preparation of castor oil emulsion. This practical belongs to the pharmaceutics practical subject for the B Pharm first semester. Preparation of castor oil emulsion. Castor oil emulsion is very important preparation for the pharmaceutics. So firstly, today's topic is the to prepare and submit 40 ml of castor oil. 40 ml of castor oil preparation. So use the some types of apparatus, some types of materials, some types of fixed oil, and overall the formula. So the apparatus is mortar pestle, beaker 250 ml, and measuring cylinder 10 ml or 50 ml, and a spatula and glass rod. There are apparatus. So the material, what is the material used in this type of preparation? Firstly, castor oil, gum acacia, and water. So the fixed oil are also used. And the formula is the castor oil emulsion. Firstly, to castor oil, we will take castor oil in 16 ml and gum acacia according to QS, and water is 80 ml. So the what is the theoretical and introductive part of castor oil emulsion? Castor oil emulsion contain not less than 90.0% and not more than 120.0% of the labeled amount of castor oil. So the castor oil emulsion is used to treat constipation, and it may also be used to clean out the intestine before a bowel examination and surgery. So the castor oil emulsion is the medicated preparation. It is highly used in the constipation and bowel examination or surgery. So the castor oil is also known as the stimulant laxative, and it works by the increasing the movement of the intestine and helping the stool to come out. So the now we come to the what is the procedure of to perform castor oil emulsion and method of preparation. Select a sample size and mortar and suitable paster. Firstly, wash the mortar paster properly and then place in the mortar 2 gram acacia, very fine pulverized. 2 gram acacia are weighed in the weighing balance proper. So exact amount of the 2 gram acacia kept in a mortar pestle. So next one is measure 8 ml of oil in a dry measure. 8 ml of castor oil measured by the accurate measuring cylinder. So this is very important. Uh, and pour on the gum, allowing some time for the measure to drain. Triturate the oil. Triturate the oil and gum together for a few seconds. Measure exactly 4 ml of water in another measure. Begin to triturate the oil and gum again using wiping motion but not a grinding action while triturating add. So the water add once. As the water reaches the oil gum mixture, increases the rate of trituration, taking care to maintain the wiping motion and work in one direction only. Only uniform direction movement is used in a mortar pestle. So continue trituration till the primary emulsion is formed, and this is when the mixture becomes white in color and cracking sound is hard. So the continue to triturate for a little longer before attempting to dilute. Measure a small amount of water and add them drop wise with continuous trituration to the primary emulsion. So and then dilute with the remaining amount of water and transfer to a measure. Rinse the mortar with the, more water and adjust the volume. Castor oil is administered orally as a purgative. So the castor oil is a fixed oil. Therefore, the primary emulsion formula is oil, water, and gum. Oil is to water is to gum. So the 4 is to 2 is to and 1 is to ratio we will take. So the either the dry gum method or the wet gum method can be used, but the former is more suitable. Firstly, overall performance of the castor oil emulsion practical. So label will prepared for according to castor oil emulsion USP 40 ml. Firstly, we discuss about the formula. Castor oil 6.4 ml and gum acacia 1.6 gram and water 28.8 ml. So the use as a purgative and direction for the use and immediately. So the dose solve in one time. Secondary label, shake well before use. Uh, Shake well before use mention in the label. So the storage is stored in tight closed container. Batch number are also mentioned, and date of manufacturing is also mentioned, and date of expiry is also mentioned. So manufactured by the which type of pharmaceutical industry manufactured for this preparation is also mentioned on the label. So overall, the description and procedure and introductive part of the castor oil emulsion. So this is the complete protocol. Uh, this digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.